How to play Zooba with friends. So before that, I'm gonna unlock this nice gold crate over here for 3 gems because we could have some spark in some of our vids. Yo, we got a Skippy. Amazing. Where'd Skippy go? Whatever. So to add friends, you should be able to see the friends section in the top, which is beside the rewards. Over here, that's the rewards, and then the friends. You can now add friends and check your friend requests here. Yay, it's a new update, I think. So press on that. You should be able to see your ID code directly here or in your profile. Oh, not really. You can only see it in the friends. But if you want to add friend, just go ahead and press on add friend over here and put in their ID code so you can have to communicate with them, ask them for your ID code. Maybe let them copy it and paste it and then send it to you. Then you're gonna have to paste it over here. Press on OK, send requests, and they will get the requests over here. Let's say I'm your friend. I'm gonna see the request here, and then I'm gonna be like, "Whoa, I'm requested friended," and then I will accept that friend request, and then we'll now be friends in game, and then we'll be able to play with each other over here. I think. Yeah, we can join team and then share invites with our friends. But that's pretty much how you play with friends in Zooba. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. This is a new account, so I'm still level 2. The other account disappeared. I don't know where it went. It had a lot of progress, but hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.